In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size of menu items in Wix. If you want your website menu to be easier to read or simply match your site's design a little better, adjusting the font size is a quick and useful change. This can help your navigation stand out more clearly, especially if the text feels too small or too large for the overall look of your website. To get started, go to your site editor in Wix. Make sure you're on the page where you want to update the menu appearance. Once you're inside the editor, look directly at your menu on the page and click on it. Selecting the menu is important because it brings up the editing options specifically for that menu element. After you click the menu, look toward the top for the text settings icon, which is shown as a T. Click that icon to open the text styling options for your menu. This is where Wix lets you control the way your menu text appears, including the font size. When the text settings open, you'll see a value that represents the current font size. This number controls how large or small the menu items appear on your site. Simply change that value to the size you want. If you want the menu to be more noticeable, increase the number slightly. If it looks too large or crowded, reduce it until it fits nicely within your header or navigation area. As you adjust the size, take a moment to look at how the menu appears on the page. A good font size should be easy to read without overpowering the rest of your design. Try to keep it balanced with your logo, header spacing, and the rest of your site text so everything feels consistent and professional. Once you've changed the font size to your preference, that's it. Your menu items will now display using the new size in the editor. This is a very simple way to improve both the style and usability of your Wix website without making any major design changes. If you're making several design updates at once, it's also a good idea to preview the page afterwards so you can confirm the menu still looks clean and readable. Small visual changes like this can make a big difference in how polished your website feels. That's how to change the font size of menu items in Wix.